Hi guys and welcome here on my YouTube channel. Today's video will be about the new Space NK gift with a purchase, named the New Season Beauty Gift. The free gift is worth over £335 and yours for free with a spend of £175 on the Space NK website. This is my second gift with a purchase from Space NK that I bought. The previous one was great in my opinion, but there was a small aspect I didn't like, and that was the sizing of the products. I hope this time the goodies from this free gift have an adequate size. The first product I took out is from the brand Charlotte Tilbury. Charlotte's Magic Cream is a face moisturizer that contains hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and E, frangipani extract, camellia oil, rosehip oil and a peptide complex which work together to brighten and even the skin tone while nourishing, softening, plumping and toning the complexion. I tried this face cream in the past and I like it. The formula is thick and heavy, exactly how I like. The second product from the free gift is from Drunk Elephant, Lala Retro Whipped Cream. A velvety rich cream that feels light on the skin, formulated with 6 African oils along with moisture retaining ceramides. This light cream nourishes the skin to promote a brighter complexion. I had the chance to try this cream in the past and was a good face moisturizer. The formula was nice, it goes quickly into the skin, only good things about it. Next I find a makeup product from the brand NARS, Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade American Woman. Is a liquid lipstick that applies like an ink and dries with a matte finish. Formulated with NARS new fluid pigment complex, this formula is extremely comfortable to wear. Once applied, it dries with a bold matte finish that is completely smudge and transfer free, even when eating or drinking. Is the lip color that will last all day and all night. Olaplex No. 9 Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. Formulated without the use of silicone, this product is rich in antioxidants to help shield hair from pollution and to neutralize free radicals. It also works to provide better style memory, bounce back curls and satin shine. The next treat is from the brand Sunday Riley, Autocorrect Brightening and Depuffing Eye Contour Cream. Brimming with smoothing, reviving and brightening benefits, this eye contour cream nourishes skin while reducing the appearance of puffiness and dark circles to create a lifted look. Ooh! We have a new product from Augustinus Bader. When I saw the product in the box I was, again the rich cream. Even if I like the cream, it was already too much for me to find it again. But I was wrong, and this time we have a retinol serum. A powerful serum designed to encourage a clearer, more youthful appearance. Featuring pure retinol, the serum helps reduce the appearance of deep lines and wrinkles. The serum also helps reduce the look of acne scars while locking in moisture for a complexion that is hydrated and radiant. Everything sounds great, I will definitely try it. The next product from the box is from Laura Mercier, Blush Contour Infusion in the shade Ginger. A sheer and buildable blush with a natural finish, infused with microfine powders. This next generation formula can build from a diffused sheer hint of color to a bold color statement. The shade is pretty nice guys, and to be honest, I was looking for a new blush with a natural finish. Happy with this product. Here I have a small product from a brand that I like, Herborian, Red Pepper Pulp. Is a radiance boosting gel cream that melts quickly into the skin to deliver immediate moisture for a recharged and plumper looking complexion. Red pepper is an original Korean super ingredient that is known for its energizing properties. Herborian is a great brand, very curious about this face cream. Malin Plus Goats Foaming Cream Cleanser. is a cream to foam cleanser with a gentle pH balanced formula that does not strip the skin, instead helping to leave a complexion feeling softer and more hydrated. Formulated with prebiotics, this skincare product works to calm and soothe irritated skin. Next comes a product from the brand Eve L'Homme Renewal Treatment Oil, a luxurious oil blend suitable for use each day to help achieve a brighter, stronger complexion. Packed with high-performing skincare actives, the treatment features a blend of 10 botanical oils. Eve L'Homme is a brand that I find difficult to fit into my skincare routine. What keeps me away from this brand is the smell of their products, too earthy for my taste. Here is an eye mask from Patchology. Serve chilled bubbly eye gels. These eye gels work to infuse the skin with antioxidants to help protect against environmental stressors that can lead to premature aging. Oskia London Isotonic Hydra Serum, a lightweight non-comedogenic serum that is fortified with natural ingredients, vitamins and antioxidants. I have tried this face serum in the past and it was good. A little sticky, but nothing uncomfortable. Next is a small product from the brand Pharmacy, Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. A rich moisturizer ideal for use every day as part of a morning and evening skincare routine, it provides intense hydration and antioxidant-rich benefits to help leave the skin with a dewy glow. An amazing face cream, I used it in the past and for my dry skin was great. Here I have a product from a brand hard to pronounce, is a face serum, intensive hyaluronic serum. Is made from a complex of 3 different forms of hyaluronic acid that penetrate the deep layers of the epidermis in order to redensify tissue by filling it with water. Instantly plumps the skin, fills in wrinkles and fine lines, and rehydrates the surface of the skin. Here I have a product from 11 Skin, Retinol Oil. Is a concentrated night treatment formulated to resurface uneven skin texture and diminish the appearance of age spots, fine lines, and wrinkles. Hair by Sam McKnight, Happy Endings Nourishing Balm, is a hair treatment that works to define curls and create texture. This lightweight, nourishing cream also helps to tame frizz and smooth split ends to leave hair looking healthier. Hair by Sam McKnight is a very promoted brand. We find their products in many of this year's advent calendars, and I'm really curious to try this product to see what it does. Next comes a product from Biossance, Squalane Plus Probiotic Gel Moisturizer. Is a weightless face moisturizer designed to help restore healthy looking skin and promote a radiant glow to the complexion. The formula includes a prebiotic that helps to balance the complexion and improve skin clarity. Nursem Caring Skin Fix. Relieve irritated, sore or dehydrated skin with this intensive balm for persistently dry, cracked skin. This soothing, supportive treatment is especially suitable for hard-working hands. It uses naturally derived ingredients to provide immediate and target relief to all areas of persistently dry and sore skin. The next product from the goodie bag is from Amika, Dream Routine Overnight Hydration Treatment, an ultra moisturizing, no rinse overnight hair treatment that works to boost the hair hydration for 72 hours. I am not a huge fan of Amika brand. All the products tried from them turned up not great for my hair. I will give a go to this hair treatment. I hope will change my mind. Stella by Stella McCartney, Alter Care Serum, Is a face serum that works to leave a complexion feeling hydrated and revitalized. With continued use, this serum also helps to visibly reduce the appearance of wrinkles and dark circles. I tried this product in the past and it's good because it's made with 99% naturally derived ingredients. It needs a longer time to completely absorb into the skin. Overall, a great product. Gold Faden MD Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. More than just a daily moisturizer, it delivers hydration, antioxidant nourishment, and a brightening glow to all skin types. The next product is from Verso Cleansing Balm, a gentle cleanser that also helps to exfoliate and moisturize the skin for a calmer, smoother complexion. This all-in-one cleanser is powered by a trio of powerful skincare ingredients to help remove dirt and impurities without stripping it of natural oils. This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. The perfect remedy to modern life, the spray will aid an effortless night's sleep without the need for chemical intervention. Awaken relaxed and refreshed, ready to face the day. It's a pillow mist that smells nice and relaxes the mind and soul. Aurelia Cell Repair Night Oil. This intensive night oil contains a potent blend of botanical ingredients which combine to create a formula that hydrates the skin. Rich in omega-3, 6 and 9 and blessed with antioxidant powers, the oil soothes dry and dull skin. The brand Aurelia was on my wish list. Happy that finally I will try it. The next product is from Dr. Dennis Gross, Derma Infusion Feel Plus Repair Serum, an advanced serum that provides a needle-free at-home filler, works deeply within the skin, and it helps fill fine lines and firm sagging skin for a smoother, more youthful look. Here I have a hair care product from OUI, Fine to Medium Hair Treatment Mask, a hair care product designed to help hydrate and repair the strands for a healthy, smooth look. The next product is a small sunscreen from Kiehl's Ultra Light Daily UV Defense SPF 50. Is a non-greasy face SPF that provides protection at home, on holidays, and wherever users plan to spend time outdoors. The lotion not only protects against UVA and UVB rays, but also helps reduce signs of aging, including wrinkles and dark spots. Here I have a mascara from Milk Makeup, Kush Mascara. A volumizing mascara that delivers fuller and thicker looking lashes. Safe for sensitive eyes, this makeup product leaves lashes feeling soft and never stiff. The next product is from Emma Hardy, Lotus Flower Target Blemish Treatment. Formulated to reduce excess sebum, this treatment also contains salicylic acid to condition the skin and minimize the appearance of blemishes. I am not sure that this is something that my skin needs, but I have a close friend who may like it. RMS Beauty Re-Evolve Radiance Locking Primer. A lightweight and hydrating primer that locks in skincare and grips makeup all day. I am not a huge fan of makeup primers, this is not an essential product for me. With this product, guys, I finished unboxing the new Season Beauty gift from Space NK. These are all the products from the free gift. I am delighted with what I got here. The brands are great, couple of products I'm thrilled with. Overall, is a nice gift, but again, the same problem, the sizing of a product is not great. I don't know where they got to the amount of £335 when most of the products are samples. Hope that the next free gift from Space NK will be better. And this was everything for today. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!